You might not realize it, but sugar addiction is more common than you think, and it shows up in ways most people miss. Here are 7 hidden signs that your body may be addicted to sugar, and what to do about it. Sign number 1. You need something sweet after every meal. Even if you're full, your brain is begging for dessert. That's a craving loop, not hunger. Sign number 2. You crash hard in the afternoon. Tired at 3 p.m.? That's a classic blood sugar dip after a carb-heavy lunch. Sign number 3. You get anxious, moody, or shaky when you haven't eaten. That's not just hunger. It's your body panicking for its next sugar hit. Sign number 4. You can't stop at one bite. Ever say just one cookie and end up eating 5? That's dopamine in action, and sugar lights it up. Sign number 5. You snack constantly, even when you're not hungry. This is your body chasing short bursts of sugar energy instead of long-lasting fuel. Sign number 6. You crave bread, pasta, or chips when stressed. These carbs break down into sugar. It's emotional comfort food triggering the addiction. Sign number 7. You wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Your body is running on sugar highs and crashes, not steady energy. So what's the fix? It's not cutting out everything, it's switching your fuel. I started eating in a lazy keto style, no tracking, no macros, just real food and fat for fuel. And after just 3 days, my cravings were gone, my energy came back, my brain fog lifted. I followed this 1-pound keto meal plan to start. It includes a full 30-day meal guide, sugar-free swaps, and a free ebook for beginners. If you've been dealing with any of these signs, don't fight it alone. Take the first step towards a healthier you.